Hello, friends. Welcome to your Business Calculus Lesson 3.1, the definition of a derivative. So what is a derivative? The definition of a derivative of a function is the slope of the line that lies tangent to the curve at a specific point. So remember, a line that is tangent to a curve at a point goes through that point, and that's it. So here is the tangent line of the curve. And the slope of that line is the derivative of the function. Alternatively, the derivative can be defined as the limit of the instantaneous rate of change of the function as time between the measurements decreases to zero. So here we have a picture of that. So the rate of change is going to be the changes in y. So f of x plus h minus f of x over the change in x. So if we have x and x plus h and we do the change, we do x plus h minus x, we get h. The derivative is a function, and derivatives of many kinds of functions can be found, including linear, power, and polynomial functions. So the derivative of f at x is f prime, that's how we say that, of x is equal to the limit as h approaches 0 of f of x plus h minus f of x over h, provided that this limit exists. For all x for which the limit exists, f prime of x is a function of x. Okay, so here we have an example. Here's our function f of x equals x squared minus 3. So we're going to use the definition of derivative to find the derivative of x squared minus 3. So f prime of x equals the limit as h goes to 0 of x plus h squared minus 3. Okay, so that's f of x plus h, and then minus f of x, so x squared minus 3. So let's multiply x plus h times x plus h, and so we get x squared plus 2x plus h squared. Negative 3 minus negative 3 is going to be negative 3 plus 3, so that's going to cancel, and then minus x squared. Okay, so x squared minus x squared adds to 0, so those go away. And then as we look here, we can factor out an h out of these two and the h down here, so that we're left with 2x plus h over 1, so 2x plus h. Now, as we take h to 0, okay, as we do the limit, as h goes to 0, so h is going to 0, we're going to have 2x plus 0, so we get 2x. So f prime of x is 2x, and that is a function of x. In fact, we can see the graph. It's a nice linear function. Okay, so just a couple of quick concepts you need for the problem set. Here we have a picture of a curve, f of x. A secant line is a line that goes through 2 points. A tangent line is a point that goes through 1 point. And remember, the slope of the tangent line is the derivative. Instantaneous velocity is the slope of the line used for tangential velocity. So we're going to be using the tangent line when we're finding instant velocity. And so go ahead, take what has been covered in this really short video and see what you can do on your problem set. We will finish that up in class. If you have any urgent questions, you know how to get a hold of me. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you have a good day.